Let's look at the first problem. It says find the area of a regular heptagon. Heptagon. How many sides in a heptagon? So I'm collecting my information, and my information is that n equals 7 and s equals 9 inches. Okay, so let me write my formula down first. That's the first thing we do. Write the formula down. So the formula is A equals, you know what, I'm going to start over here. I may run out of room. So A equals ANS over 2, fill in what you know. So A equals lowercase a, which is the times 7 times 9 over 2, and this will be inches squared. So I see that I need to find the approximum here. Okay, so how do I find the approximum? This is the approximum. I know that the base is going to be divided into 2 congruent halves, and since the whole side length is 9, it's given to us. This is 4.5 and 4.5. So how do I find A? Well, this is not a special triangle, so what I need to do is, first thing is find the central angle, and then I need to find this half of the central angle, which is x degrees. So the central angle is going to be 360 degrees divided by the number of sides, which is 7. And x is 360 divided by 7, and we want half of that. So half is, you can divide by 2 or multiply by 1/2. And you get x degrees is equal to, oh, this is awkward. If you do that on your calculator and round it to 2 decimal places, I would not round to less than 2. You get the central angle here is 25.71 degrees. Okay, well, that's kind of, alright. I have the central angle, and this should help me find the approximum. Okay. So this is my arc here for my angle, and I see that 4.5 is opposite and A is adjacent. So I would use, I'm going to write my SOHCAHTOA here. And I see that since I have opposite and adjacent, I will use tangent. Tangent of 25.71 degrees is equal to 4.5 divided by A. Cross multiply, you get A tangent or tan 25.71 degrees equals 4.5. To solve for A, divide both sides by tangent of 25.71 degrees, tangent or tan 25.71 degrees. So this cancels out, you get A equals, and if you do that on your calculator, you will get A equals 9.226 ... I'm not rounding this yet so that I will get a more accurate answer. So on your calculator, keep that number, and let's go and see what we need to do to find the area. So over here we had area is equal to 63 times 9.226 dot 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 over 2. So what I'd like you to do is, you already have on your calculator 9.226, multiply that by 63 and divide by 2, and 294.40 etc. units squared is what I get. So the answer 294.4 units squared, on which in this case this is inches squared. Now I was not consistent about my units. I ran out of little space there. Don't worry. Okay. The perimeter of this polygon, that should be a piece of cake. We could have done it right up here. Perimeter equals NS, so that's 7 times 9, and perimeter is 63 inches squared. I am sorry, I'm having to squeeze this in because I'm running out of room on this screen and I don't want to. Okay. Alright, now you should take a pause and do a question like